Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Instagram statistics using the Instagram Edits app. So basically it's pretty easy. You just have to sign up into the Edits program and download the app, sign in to your Instagram account, and then move on to the last page of the app. This is it. And here you can see your statistics and you can browse. You can check out all the different stats, the shares, the saves, the comments, the likes, how many likes you received each day. You can check it out by day. You can filter to 7 days, 14, 30, or 60. And here you can find your reels and you can also filter those. You can select to show it by the latest. You can check out the most viewed reels that you have, and so on. So it's pretty easy to use, quite clear, and a nice app to help you navigate your Instagram statistics. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.